I'm shooting this quick video. Now, if you're watching this, you were either invited by myself or one of my business partners. Now, just like us, you're interested in earning some cash. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a parent, if you're a college student, or if you work a full-time job and looking to earn on the side, or you want full-time income. See, what we do is very simple. It's something that people are already doing every single day. And if you have a computer, a smartphone, or any device that can access the internet, then you will have an opportunity to earn thousands or tens of thousands of dollars directly from your device. So what we want to do is we want to show you exactly what we're doing to earn money. And I know documentation beats conversation, so I'm going to show you how much money I've been able to generate from this opportunity, and I'm going to show you the passive income that I was able to earn. And if you want to learn how to earn exactly like we are, then you have to attend this webinar. We're going to show you exactly from A to Z what we do. Again, it's very easy. So let me take you inside and show you exactly the amount of money that is possibly and potentially able to be deposited into your bank account. Okay, folks, we are here in my office and I want to be very transparent. So I put the date and time so you can see that my results are recent and not something that's old. Again, it is 1:44 a.m. on July 27th, 2020. And I just want to let you know something. This is not something that I do full-time. It's not something that I do part-time, and this is not my only source of income. I do this in my spare time. All I do is work 1.5 to 2 hours tops every other day from my cell phone. And let me just assure you, I don't do any selling. I don't do any explaining, and all of the websites and materials are provided for us, and my team doesn't do this anyway. They just basically direct people to a presentation and that's it. And it converts the customers or potential customers for us. And we're even provided 25 leads. So you can't beat that with a stick. So with that said, I'm going to show you my month of July. July was a slow month for me. June was better. But again, I want to be transparent. So let me cut over to my back office here and show you. So again, I'm going to hide the name of the opportunity because you want to see that when you come to the online event. But I am going to show you my back office. So let's go down here to check details. I'm going to click here, and we are only concerned with the month of July. June was my better month, but I'm going to show you July. So let's block off June and show you July. So in July on automation, I was greeted on the first of the month with $960.05. And then on July 8th, I got paid $100. On July 9th, I got $300. On July 14th, I got $142.89. And then on July the 24th, which is 10 days later, I got $200. And I still have about $500 that has not processed yet. And again, I'm not going to count that because it's not on here. So what you're looking at, folks, is you're looking at over $1,700 of recurring income. That's right, I did say recurring. That means this is income that comes residually every month over and over and over. Most people sell one product to one customer and get paid one time. No, we can offer a service to one customer and get paid 12 times a year from the service of one customer. That's the potential that we have here. So again, if you're an entrepreneur and you're looking for something that doesn't take a lot of time, that doesn't take a huge investment, and it gives you the opportunity to earn money, then this is something for you. If you have a barbershop or a beauty salon, this is COVID-19 proof. This is future proof. And again, you don't have to worry about a building getting wrecked or anything being shut down. This opportunity stays open. So I'm going to cut back to me really quick. And again, I know what you're thinking, that what you saw is mind-blowing, right? You're probably saying, wow, I would love to have some income like that, even if it was part-time. And again, there are people who make more, but you know, your income could be more or less, depends on how much you want. But again, it is available to you. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to click the link above or below this video and go to our website. And if you're on our website already, click the text button below and enter your phone number, and I will text you a link to our next webinar. You can register and you can come. And I have two bonuses. I'm going to give you one bonus for over $1,500. I'm going to give you another bonus for over $800 if you take action with what you see on the webinar. So again, that's a great incentive for you to come and see if it's something that you're interested in. And again, make sure that after you register, you let one of my business partners know who invited you that you're registered and you're ready to go, and we'll see you there, and I will be the one giving the presentation. So folks, thank you so much for checking us out, and I can't wait to show you what we have to offer you.